this review of this 2016 Mustang convertible. I'm on I-15 heading north for a drive out into the mountains, and I'm surprised for a convertible. This car is rattle free. It's been a long time since I had a convertible, but it's rattle free and it's about as quiet, at least on this interstate. It's as quiet as my Ford Fusion Titanium 2016. So noise level is very acceptable, and there's no whistling coming in from the edges at the top. So it's a very quiet ride. Now the engine in this car, this is a rental, so I don't expect this engine to be too much. It's probably the base engine on the car, so I'm not going to bother to review the engine unless I punch it a little bit. Okay, that wasn't bad. Punched it a little bit. Not spectacular, but fine for a rental car.